Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to find USDT BEP20 wallet address on get.io. Before we get into it, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos. First thing you need to do is to simply open your get.io application. Now once you have logged into your get.io account, after that you just need to simply tap on the assets tab at the bottom right corner, and here you need to click on this deposit button. After that, tap on the on-chain deposit, and from this list of cryptocurrencies, in the search bar you have to simply search for USDT and click on Tether at the top. After that, keep in mind that we are finding USDT BEP20 address, so in order to do that you have to simply click on Binance Smart Chain, and always make sure to select same network on both sides or you will lose your funds. Now click on Binance Smart Chain, and here you can see your USDT BEP20 wallet address along with the QR code. Simply copy this address, or you can share this QR code directly, and that's how you can find USDT BEP20 wallet address on get.io. If this video helped you out, make sure to like